Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the student marks calculation system app using Android Studio. Here, this is the app UI design of this app. Let's execute the app and see. The app is running. Now here you have to enter the student name here. Here I am going to enter as John. Marks should be marks 1 60, marks 2 70, marks 3 50. If you click OK, total, average and grade all are displayed here. So if you click OK here, finally the grade should be displayed here. In order to calculate the grade, there will be the condition. If the average is greater than 75, if the average is greater than 75, this average is greater than 75, grade should be A. If the average is greater than 65, if the average is greater than 65, grade should be B. If the average is greater than 55, grade should be C. If the average is greater than 45, grade should be D. Otherwise, below 45, fail. That should be the grade fail. Okay. According to the condition, you have to do the app. So let's moving to our codes. Let me moving to the app. First, go to the file, new project, click next, select as empty activity, next, click finish. Now your project is ready. Now what I am going to do is here, this is your main folder app. Here main folder consists of two folders, important folders. One is a Java, another one is a RS folder. Inside the RS folder, it consists of four folders: drawable, layout. Here inside the layout folder, there will be the file activity main.xml. This is the file we have to use to design the app. Okay, so here go to the Java folder. There will be the file main activity. This file we will see in later. So now what I am going to do is I am going to design the app. So double click the activity main. If you click activity main.xml, this is the default page of activity main. Here this is the default page, hello world. Right, now what I am going to do is here, instead of drag and drop the tools to develop the app, I will code the app first. So let's go to the text view. Here text, here let's remove the text view here. After that, what I am going to do is here, this layout I am going to change it as linear layout. We have to change it as linear layout here. After that, here what I am going to do is here also linear layout. This one should be linear layout. Right, here I am going to write as Android orientation vertical and Android gravity center. Right, this thing we have to do. Inside the linear layout, I am going to write another linear layout here. So linear layout, right, okay. Right, once you start the linear layout, you should close the linear layout as well. So we have to close the linear layout like this. So here what I am going to do is here we have to write the things as Android layout width. layout with as match parent, and Android, this one let me copy and paste it here, match parent, right. First time we have to write like this. After that, what I'm going to write is here Android creativity center, and here we have to write as a Android orientation vertical. We have to write this following lines, right. That's the only thing we have to write. After that, what I'm going to do is here I'm going to, inside this linear layout, I'm going to write another linear layout, right. Here I'm going to write another linear layout. Yeah, same layout. I'm going to copy this one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. So here we have to end the layout. Here we have to end tag to end the layout. Here inside this layout we have to design the form. Okay. So what I'm going to do is here, first I'm going to design the text view for heading. So we have to write a text view. Text view we have to put as wrap text. This is wrap text, right. After that, here we have to write the Android bottom margin, left bottom margin 30 dB. That's the stuff. After that, Android, this one we have to copy, this one creativity center we have to write it, right. That stuff we have to write. After that, we have to write the Android text. We have to write as here as here we have to go to the values folder. So here we are going to the values folder. There will be the folder string.xml. Here we have to copy this string value, copy this one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. This one I am going to give the name as title, st title. This title we have to give the, what is the title you need, you can give here, student marks calculation system. This is should be the title, right. Now you can see this same name, copy and paste here, right. So here what I am going to do is string, here this name will be coming here, you have to import, right. That's the stuff you have to do. Here we have to change this one as a wrap text. Okay, this layout we have to change this one as a wrap text. Okay, match parent, right. Sorry, not this one, this here layout we have to change it as a wrap text, right. Here wrap text you have to change. Now you can go to the design and check here, it's working fine, it's working fine. Okay, it's working fine here. Now if you want to do the additional stuff, if you want to make a little bit big size of that size, so you need to here, you can give here as 20 sp, something like that you can give here. You can give the size. If you want to bold, you can style as a bold, everything you can give. If you want to change the color, you can give here text color. You have to change it as anything here. I'm going to give as this one, right. Now here it's look awesome, right. Now what I'm going to do is here I'm going to do the another stuff as an image. So I'm going to write an image view. This one should be match parent, wrap text. Here I'm going to write the image here. So here we have to write as here as Android src. You have to give the path here. So first I'm going to, where my images reside on my F drive. So this is the image. I just copy this one, right click and copy, and come to my project. There will be the folder rs. Inside the rs folder there will be the folder called drawable. So select the drawable folder, right click, paste here, select this one, not this, select this one, drawable, click OK. It's asked the name, so same name I am going to paste it here. If you want to change the name, you can change and click OK. Same name I need, so click OK, right. Now you you can check whether it is successfully pasted or not. Here if you expand the folder, you can check here. This is reside on the folder which is a drawable. Now you have to give the path here. So drawable here marks, it's successfully coming. Now here also you have to give the Android creativity, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, center. Now you can check the design here, but it's come full screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the size as well. Here size should be must. So here we have to give the size as Android. Here Android, here layout width. So sorry, not this one, we have to change this one as a 100 SP. This one should be 100 SP. Right, that's the stuff. Okay, don't give match parent rep text. You have to change the size width here. Here it will be small. Okay, right. Now perfect. Now what I'm going to do is here, after that everything finish, we will remove the extra space as well. Remove the extra spaces, no need these spaces here. Right, now what I'm going to do is, this is your layout. Right, after that what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another layout here. So this layout here, you can see the layout. This is a layout, we have did this one. After that I'm going to create another layout. The same layout I'm going to, this layout I'm going to copy, Control C to copy this one, Control V to paste here. So here I'm going to this one we have to close it. Right, linear layout. Right, here this time we have to change this one as a horizontal. This I am going to change this one as a horizontal view. Right, okay, perfect. Now here inside this linear layout, what I'm going to write is I'm going to design this stuff, student name, this one. So let's back here. First one I need the text view. So text view we already done here. So let's copy this one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right, this one wrap text. Fine, here we can change the text. This is not a, let's put it as a 50 dB. Okay, it's enough. This one we no needed, center, all the stuff we needed. Here we have to change this one we no needed, bottom, this one we no needed. Let's remove them. Right, here what I'm going to do is here title we have to change it. So this one we have go to the string, we have to copy this one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. We have to change the thing as a student name. First thing is student name. Here instead of the title you have to give us here as second one as a st name. So this name should be, you have to there, you have to give this one as well. Right, that's the only thing we have to do. Right, you can check here, it's coming here, successfully coming here. After that what I'm going to do is here you have to, if you want to give this one as, you can give here Android layout margin left, you have to give as 20 dB. If you want you can give here dB. Okay, it's perfect. Left, it's aligned the left. Right, that's the only thing we have need. Right, the design. Right, now what I'm going to do is I need the edit text. Here we have to write match parent. This is a rep text. Here we should give the ID as well, Android ID. Here I'm going to give as st name. So student name, ID should be student name. Here we can change the color as well, Android text color. We have to text color, we have to change it as a primary. Right, that's the thing we have to give. Right, perfect. That's the only thing you have to do. Right, now let's go here, you can check here it's successfully, here it's coming successfully. Right, now let's go here, the same layout we have to copy and paste below, the same layout, because I'm doing likewise the same layout I'm going to paste like this. So the same thing you have to, the same linear layout you have to copy this one, Control C to copy. It's starting here, ending here. You carefully copy. Okay, when you copy you just carefully and copy. Okay, paste below. Here you have to change this one, as you have to only change the things. This one marks 1, marks 1, marks 1. You have to change this. The same thing, you have to go to the string.xml. You have to marks 1, marks 1. This one should be marks 1, marks 1. Text should be marks 1. Here what I'm going to write is, here I'm going to do everything here. 2, 3, total, average, and total, average, and grade. Okay, here we have to change this one as a 2, here as 2, here we have to change it as a 3, here also 3. This one should be total, here also total. This one should be average, here also average, here also grade. So grade, right? Here we also change the text as grade, right? That's the thing we have to write. The same thing here, go here, we have to change here as well. This one should be marks 1, Android ID should be marks 1. The same text we have to copy and paste here. What about this one? By exchange, here should be Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. Here st name, I name my cutoff, that's the stuff, student name. Now it's okay. Now let's check. Okay, now it's okay, right? Fine. Okay, now let's go here. We have to do the remaining stuff. Ctrl C to copy this one, Ctrl V to paste here. Here this one should be marks 2. Here also marks 2. We already done this stuff here, so that you have to put the name. Okay, here you must change the ID here, text ID. Okay, so other stuff are same. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. This time marks 3. This one should be marks 3. After that total, this one should be total, here also total, right? Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste below. This one should be, after the total, average. This one also average, right? Finally the grade. Ctrl C to copy this one, Ctrl V to paste. This one should be average. Here also we have to change this one as this one should be grade. Here also grade. That's it. That's the stuff you have to do. Now you can see what happened here. Here it successfully changed everything. Now I need only two buttons I need. So what I'm going to do is, here the stuff is, we have to change the text as well. This text, I feel it's look bigger, so we have to reduce the sizes here. From the student name, shall we give as a 15 here, right? It's okay. The same thing here, copy the sizes. Ctrl C to copy, to apply below all the stuff here, and our text, this one here as well, here as well, here also, here also. That's it. I can check, right? It's small, right? It's applying well. After that, what I'm going to do is, I need two buttons. So let's go here. I need another layout, so copy this one, paste here, but this time I don't need the text view and edit text. Instead of that, I need a button. So what I'm going to do is here I'm going to write the button. So here we have to write as a edit button. What is wrong here? Right here, right here we have to write as a button. Here we have to write as wrap text. This one should be wrap text. Here we have to change the button Android ID should be ID BTN1, and Android text should be, you have to write as a string go here, and you have to write here as Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one should be OK. You have to write the name as OK. Here also give the name as OK. Otherwise you can give the as a calculator or anything else, whatever you need. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste here. This one should be clear. Here also give the name as clear. That's it. That's the thing you have to do. Have to go to the here. We have to string here OK. Button should be OK. If you want to give the color of the button, Android background color, you have to give as a primary. Right, now you can see the button color here. Button color is successfully there. Okay, after that I need to color another stuff, the text color. If you want to give the text color, you can give Android text color. I go to the Photoshop document, and here I'm going to give the color here as white. This code I'm going to copy, and this code here, this code, whatever color you can get here. Okay, this color code I'm getting white. Ctrl C to copy this one, and I'm back to my program and paste here. You have to put the sign before. Now it will be applied here. It should be changed as white. Okay, this is how you have to design the UI. Here Ctrl C to copy this one, Ctrl V to paste below. This one should be cancel. Clear. This is not cancel. I gave as a clear. This one should be BTN2. That's the thing we have to do. Right. So here, not a primary, we have to change it as another background color. This one, second one. So you can check here. This is the user interface of the design of. Okay, let me run and check whether it's working well or not. Here, this is your app UI design. In my next tutorial, I'm going to teach the calculation part of the app. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.